So now we have this question we need to answer in our problem breakdown. We need to figure out how to tell the Arduino to wait. Well, as you probably guessed, there is a specific built-in function to help us achieve this. And that function is called delay. And so delay pauses the program for the amount of time in milliseconds. And so if we go to syntax, we just have the one parameter, and the parameter is ms, and that's the number of milliseconds to pause. So 1 second is equal to 1,000 milliseconds. So if we wanted, just like in this example, if we wanted to wait for 1 second, we would put delay 1,000. So if we go back to our code again, we want the LED to turn on and then stay on for half a second. So we can use the delay right here for half a second. So that's 500 milliseconds, right? 0.5 times 1,000 is 500. So this LED is staying on for half a second, and then we need it to stay off for half a second. So right down here, we go delay, and we write 500 again. And before we get this code running, I want to get rid of this magic number just right here and give it a proper name, just like we did with LED pin. So up at the top here, 500 is an integer, so we can write integer again. And I am going to call this variable wait ms, so wait milliseconds. And it's going to get a 500, like that. And now I can replace it down here. So if we plug in the Arduino here, and then we upload the code, and we now see that our LED on the Arduino is blinking. Thanks to our good coding practices, we can actually very easily change the rate at which the LED is blinking. If I wanted it to blink faster, all I'd have to do is go up to the top again at wait ms and change this to a smaller number. So let's say 200. And hit upload again. And we now have a faster blinking LED. So we have now successfully completed our digital output example.